So today's special unboxing is my lunch, Panda Express. And we're going to talk about their new dish, which is the Sizzling Shrimp. So this is Panda's new dish, and what's so special about today is they have a limited edition Panda Express cast iron wok. So we're going to eat some of this, try it out, and get this limited edition special cast iron wok. I of course have a celebratory beer. So it was really difficult to get this morning. So there was about 20 woks for the store in Hayward, and there's only about 34 locations offering this out of the total 2,400 Panda Expresses worldwide. So I'm really excited. There's a super long line at the Panda Express. I got there early enough, and I just barely was able to get this one. I was about 15th in line. All right, let's check it out. You know, I normally don't drink beer for breakfast, but why not? Alright, let's see how this tastes. Sizzling shrimp for the first time ever. This is the new item. A little spicy. Not bad. The shrimps don't look like the ones in the picture. These look like little frozen shrimps. The cheap stuff that you get at the supermarket. And of course, the all-time favorite. Orange chicken. Alright, so the promotion this morning was you had to buy the sizzling shrimp and you get the free wok. This wok is being resold on eBay for $300. And people were basically screaming and fighting over each other to get this. The location in Hayward has a lot of Asian people, particularly Chinese people. And when the Chinese people get to the social media, they just go crazy. I suspect other locations throughout the United States are a little easier to get to, maybe ones with less Chinese population. You'll notice the shrink wrapping looks very cheap. If this was bought at a store, it would look like it was probably a counterfeit. So this cast iron wok is made from Loge, and I believe this retails on Amazon for about $25. Wow, look at this. Very nice. This is very Chinese New Year-esque. We have the design inside of the shrimp, the wok. We have some black wrapping tissue paper. And the box, it looks like it got shipped directly from Loge. So we got two boxes. Here we go. Let's take a look. And here she is. There's a seasoned cast iron pan with all the warranty and information. And this appears to be the mini wok. So it measures about 6 inches across. Oh, that is really small. Here is a ruler, my kid's ruler. Exactly 6 inches in diameter. The bottom looks to be 3 inches. And the height looks to be about 2 inches only. With the top, it probably has an inch. This is very nice. And of course, the reason I waited in line so long was this. Look at that. Look at that. Panda Express Chinese Kitchen engraving on the bottom. That looks like a stamp, a special cast iron stamp they had to make. I can see this being used for some sort of Korean food. Or frying an egg. Very cool. So there you go, guys. A very successful morning for my unboxing. Super excited to show you this. Super excited to have this cast iron pot. My partner loves Panda Express, so I'm just going to give it to her. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching this short video.